Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today I wanted to do a what's in my bag video, but specifically for my work bag. So I have this really beautiful bag, full leather, and I got it in the color black. I haven't had this bag for that long, but I have been using it for the past week and I love it. I love it because it is so professional, very minimal, and just very sleek in general. Just a very nice, business-like, very professional looking work bag. I have actually just been using it just to put my personal laptop in it so that I can go to the coffee shop and do some editing and whatnot. It's just a really nice looking one. I also really like that the handles drops down. Beautiful torn handles that you can also use as a handheld option or on your shoulder, so you can also carry it on your shoulder like this. I'm going to do some modeling shots at the end, or even cork up your arm if you really need to. Like I already mentioned, I just love that they're very minimalist. The quality of their leather is really beautiful. So this is a vegetable tan leather, which means vachetta. So the name of this particular one is called Penton. It's made in Italy. The leather smells so good. Apparently all the leathers come from Tuscany, Italy, so that's just something to know. So yeah, just to show you features of the bag. So this is the front. Obviously it is brand new right now, so there are no marks on it, and I've been really careful using it as well. So this is the back. You can see like a little shadow here. That's just from the strap resting on it. So on the side, you see the side zip. You can see that the zippers go all the way down, and the edges are glazed. And here's the top of the bag. So as you can see, there is this beautiful zipper pull made of metal, very smooth. And this is the interior of the bag. So hopefully you can see there is here in the back compartment a laptop compartment, which I was able to fit my 13-inch MacBook Air very easily. Actually, it's a perfect fit. It also features a couple pen loops here on the same side as the laptop. So yeah, it's this side that's a little bit padded. You can feel the little bit of padding in between the outside leather and the inside of the bag. On the front side of the bag, there are a few compartments. Right down in the middle, there's another leather piece here where the brand is stamped on, and also you can also monogram it with your own initials. They offer that service, as well as a couple of slip pockets here down on each side of the bag, and a zip pocket here that is really generous. Just to show you, it goes down pretty deep. So as you can see, I have my 13-inch MacBook Air in there. I have two phones. So I have a work phone and I have my personal phone. And on the zippered compartment, I just put my valuables inside. So I have my keys, a card holder, wallet, another card holder, my LV one, and I have my car keys. So let's take a peek at the bottom here. So as you can see in the bottom, in the middle of the bag, there's quite a bit of space. I didn't fill it up to the brim, so just to show you, there is still quite a bit of space to fit more documents, and if you have like a makeup bag or whatnot. But at the moment, I just have a little pouch filled with essentials. And down in the middle, I just put a file just to show you guys that it does fit a regular size file. 20.5 centimeters drop for the handle. Across, it is 38 centimeters. The height of the bag is about 30 centimeters, and the depth of the bag is about 7 centimeters. So it is a pretty good sized briefcase, but it is also large enough to fit your laptop as well as some files and personal items. So I like that it's kind of on the smaller size, not too big, and it still looks really good and professional, and just very easy to throw onto your shoulder. It's really well made, and it just looks like it's a piece that will last for a lifetime, because like I said, it is also made of vachetta, which is vegetable dyed leather, and vachetta that is just known for its vintage looks as it ages more. And when I say age, it's more like from your marks and from scratches and from like elements and things like that. The more of these things that you get onto the bag, the more it kind of just all blends in and becomes its own character. Really nice dust bag, and it's a drawstring dust bag. So the material is kind of like it's like a thick cotton linen type of material. In terms of cons, I only have one, and I guess it has to do with the material. I do find it a little bit heavy. Like, it's very substantial. You can see that it's really thick, and I think that adds to the weight of it. Maybe about 2.5 pounds just from guessing, and I'm pretty good at guessing how heavy things are because I'm used to doing groceries. So yeah, I would think that this is about 2.5 to 3 pounds actually even. So it is a very substantial bag, and with the laptop and everything else inside, it does get a little bit on the heavy side. However, these torn handles are very, very comfortable, and I do find that they sit really well on the shoulders. Obviously, once in a while they can sort of lift off and fall off like one side, but that's not an issue. I just pull it back up, and they do look really, really good on the shoulder. That's pretty much my first impression review for this bag. I really do love it. I'm gonna link it all down below and also give you guys a coupon code. It's just AMY10 for 10% off their leather goods, and the coupon code will be valid for 2 weeks, so definitely take advantage of it if you guys are interested in any of their products. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're interested, like I said, all the links will be down below and the coupon code, so definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.